Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the brightness, color grading, hue and contrast. Okay, you can see we have got a clip here, but the color is not really so good. It is dull actually. So we have to add something to make it beautiful. Okay, you have to click on the filter and then plus icon and you have to search for brightness. Now you can actually increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. Now I want to add some contrast. Okay, now I want to add color grading. So for that you have to type color and you will get the option color grading. This is a little bit you have to try this out by yourself. You will get three options actually here. I am not expert in color grading, but it depends on you how you want to edit your video and how you want to get the color. So try this yourself. One more thing I want to show you, that is balance white. That is actually white balance. You can also add this, try this out. And hue, these are all about the colors and effects in Shotcut. So guys, I think these are all the features you will get in Shotcut for editing the colors of your video.